Despite a bit of extra weight, the JBL Charge 3 is a Bluetooth speaker you can take anywhere, including your backyard pool, thanks to its new waterproof exterior. And while it falters on the high notes, overall the Charge 3 strikes a great balance between sound, features, and price. The JBL Charge 3 is looking to make its mark in the mass of Bluetooth speakers out there, but its name gives it an advantage straight away. JBL has always stood out as one of the best, most reliable brands out there. Aside from the top-performing sound, its Charge line of Bluetooth speakers allow you to charge your device up while you're blasting out tunes. Hence why they're all called Charge. Like many of its competitors, mainly the UE Boom series, the JBL Charge 3 is also waterproof, which means you can use it at the pool or the beach without worrying about any splashes or water-based accidents. The JBL Charge 2 won many over with its exceptional battery life, high-end build quality and good sound. That means it's definitely a tough act to follow. While we've found two small snags, we're confident to say the Charge 3 improves on its predecessor's legacy. Since we originally published this review, JBL has added the affordable Flip 4 to its lineup, and just unveiled the JBL Charge 4. If you can find the Charge 3 at a decent price, it could still be worth a look. The JBL Charge 3 offers excellent sound for the price. The addition of waterproofing makes it a Bluetooth speaker you can take just about anywhere, provided you don't mind lugging its extra weight around. It's also nice knowing you can use the speaker as a power bank for your phone to keep the tunes playing. The Charge 3 is a big speaker that'll weigh down your backpack. It being waterproof is nice, but it definitely comes at the cost of impacting high-frequency playback. And while its exposed woofers look cool, they may not survive a longer drop or a run-in with a sharp object poking around in your bag.
Thank you for watching. Please kindly remember to like, subscribe and share with your friends.